Hi, welcome everyone. In today's quick video, I will share with you our new laundry room sink we purchased. So let's get started. Laundry room sink is Glacier Bay from Home Depot. We had the laundry room sink professionally installed. We would have liked to have done it ourselves, make the video for YouTube, but there was never a sink installed previously and the pipes were not cut, and we just didn't have the expertise to do it ourselves. It has soft closed door, which I really like, and a very nice white finish. It comes with a large stainless steel sink with a pull down flex neck faucet that sprays as well. My tip is, after using the sink, towel dry after use to prevent water spots. And if you do get them, clean it with a mild solution of vinegar and water. Overall, we are very happy with the sink, and it's a great addition to the laundry room. If you are interested to see the entire laundry room, click on my Glam Laundry Room Makeover Tour video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the description below. Hope to see you again with my next video.